back to the channel. I am so excited for this video. If you didn't read the title, it is a travel day to Walt Disney World, and I am so excited. I am going with two of my best friends, Katie and Hannah. I'm actually filming this the day before we leave, so it is Thursday, May 22nd. We leave tomorrow, Friday the 23rd, and I just wanted to give like a kind of little intro before we head to Florida, because tomorrow's going to be a really busy day. We are all working. Katie and I took a half day. We are teachers, and Memorial Day weekend is this upcoming weekend, so we do have Monday off. But to add a little bit of extra time to our Disney trip, we did take a half a day tomorrow, which is Friday. So right after our students leave, which they also do have a half a day, which is great. We just kind of like have professional development after the kids leave, or we're supposed to tomorrow, but because we took that off, we're not participating in it. But after the kids leave, we're gonna leave, come right back to my house because I live closer to the airport, change, make sure everything that we need is set with us and we've got it, and then we're gonna head to the airport. My dad is taking us, and I'm just so excited. I am so ready to be in the Florida sunshine. I'm freezing cold right now. I have a blanket covering me because it is so cold here in New England. It is like 50 degrees all week this week, rainy, gloomy, and no sun at all. So I am just so ready for the sunshiny weather in Florida. I know it's going to be a hot weekend, like 95, very warm, but you know, any weather over this rainy, gloomy, cold New England weather, I will take it. So I'm so excited. We are staying at the Pop Century Resort. It's going to be a 3-night, 4-day little trip here. We have our lightning lanes and our single passes all set in stone. I did that 7 days ago, or 6 days ago as of today. If you are staying on property, on the Walt Disney World property, you can do that 7 days in advance. And if you're staying off property, you can do that 3 days in advance at 7 a.m. for both resort guests and non-resort guests. So I got them. We're so excited. We bought multi-pass, so those are the ones that like you're kind of booking throughout the day, and then we also have those single passes, which you buy one like skip the line ride pass for those like higher attractions at the parks. We are going to Magic Kingdom and then Epcot, so we're just doing 2 park days, but they are going to be very busy, very packed. We are packing our days with so many fun things. We will be going to Tepanito at Epcot, which I've never been to before, and there's some rides that we haven't gotten to ride yet. My friends haven't gotten to ride Guardians yet, and that's my favorite Disney ride like of all time, so I'm so excited to like take them along on it, and I'll probably take my GoPro on the ride, all that fun stuff. I haven't rode Tiana's because last time we were there was October, and we were only at Magic Kingdom for Mickey's Not So Scary, and we really just didn't want to get wet. We are prepared for it this time. I have a poncho in case I don't want to get wet. It's gonna be warm, really warm, so I feel like the cold water will actually feel really nice on us. Anyway, if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We just got back from a cruise trip, which was so much fun. We did a 6-night, 7-day, or 5-night, 6-day, something and we're like that, on the Celebrity Reflection, and we had the best time ever. Those videos are all up on my channel, so make sure you go and watch them. It was an amazing trip. I actually just kind of finished editing those videos, and I was just talking in the last video about how it's so fun when you come back from a trip and I get to edit these and look at all of the memories and reminisce on them, and I know that when we get back from this trip, I'm also going to be doing the same thing. So I'm just so excited and so ecstatic to head to Walt Disney World. It's one of my favorite places in the entire world, and I'm just so excited to go with two of my best friends. And Katie I see like almost every day because we do work together, but our friend Hannah actually lives in another state now, so we don't get to see her as often as we would love to. We're used to like working every day with her and seeing her all the time, but she recently moved, so this trip is going to be so needed for us, and I'm just so excited. So enough rambling. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe, and let's kick in to a travel day to Walt Disney World. Yay! Pops are dry! Wait, I'm so excited to even just see the lobby right now. Bubbles! Bubbles, hello! Okay. They're roasting marshmallows. So cute. We have a view of the lake. I'm gonna scream. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so peaceful. Wait, wow. No, oh my gosh, look. This, I couldn't have asked for a better view. Genuinely, anyone do the honors? It opened! Last time Zach and I tried to do this, it didn't. The Jones Party! Oh my gosh, it's so nice. It feels very new.
It's cold in here.
It is cold in here. This is where the pull down bed is. Yeah. I'm curious. Oh, it's a connecting room. Say hi to our neighbors. Nice bathroom. Guys, this is a really nice bathroom. What? Look. It's really nice. It is. No, this is really nice. I know, right? Even, wow. I feel like, should we attempt to do this later? The bed? Or should we just see?
Should we try?
No, I meant like now. Do we try it now?
We try to pull it down?
Like, yeah.
Figure out how it works?
Yeah, let's see.
Maybe we should.
Just so we can put our like stuff down too. I don't think you have to do anything to the table. Oh. Wait.
It's very easy.
I love it. Yay. Okay, let's get ready. Yay.
We're playing a very dangerous game.
This wasn't even on my list. Sorry. It's a quiet village, like the ones before. Those are so cute. There goes the beggar with a straight line. This is my home. You're in trouble. We are back from Disney Springs.
Yes.
We're doing a taste test of our cookies from
Summer House on the Lake.
Wait, should we do our cookies first and then I'll do the blondie bar?
Yeah.
Would you have a bite of that?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I got a snickerdoodle cookie.
I got peanut butter.
Right, this is huge. It's soft. Do you want a bite? Alright.
I might just have to pour it like right in. Hold on. I'm just gonna be an animal.
Cheers.
Oh man. That's great.
You know what makes this really nice?
Milk.
Water. No, we don't have. This is really good. You want a bite?
That's so good.
Are you?
You want to bite the other end of mine?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Take all the time you need.
If
Wow.
you can't tell.
Oh, I'm not a snickerdoodle person. I'm
You
gonna
don't
give
like
that
it?
a 9 out of 10.
Right? Look, one more. You break this one. Look, it looks like a smiley. Wow.
Here.
Hold on, I'm ready for peanut butter.
Oh. Oh, that was soft.
I think she's a 10. She's good.
I don't know.
I'll
if
make
I
it like
love
an 8 out of 10.
I don't love peanut
8.
butter.
I like
you
a
don't like
little
peanut
bit
butter
like
baked goods?
harder of a peanut butter cookie. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you can't tell,
She's good.
we're in Disney. I had a minor freak out earlier because my camera. How do I explain what was happening?
She left her bag on the side of the counter, and then it tipped and everything
Fell
out.
So when I picked up my camera to go record, it literally, when I tell you, was going like this
It was
for a straight half hour.
it was tweaking out.
had a quick minty bee, but we're back. It's working now.
We're good. She manhandled it.
Yep, dinner was delicious. We went to Summer House on the Lake. Oh, I almost forgot about the blondie. Oh, look at this.
That is thick.
Powdered sugar's going everywhere. Anyway, dinner was delicious. We're gonna get ready for bed soon. We have a very busy day tomorrow at Magic Kingdom, but before we do anything,
I just want to bite.
it's
I
like
don't want to
11. We did some damage at Disney Springs.
Yeah.
That will become in a later haul. At the
Soon
end
to
of,
come.
Yeah, soon to come. But Blondie. This is chaotic.
Oh.
Wow.
Very good.
I actually like this more than the cookie.
You do?
Mm-hmm. It's
very-
like a
It's,
brownie.
it's dense. It's good. I'm not going to use the M word. I refuse.
Moist.
No.
Ah, stop that.
Hold on.
But it's like midnight now, but we have to unpack, we have to shower, get ready for bed, and then get our stuff ready for tomorrow. But yeah, we'll check
Take a
in
sip
soon
of my
because
water. I won't
I have
hold it.
this. I have water.
Oh,
I
okay.
filled it up. But we have some goodies to share with each other soon, so I'll show you guys. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy my Blondie. I think we're gonna shower and then.
We can start quick and do it.
Yeah.
So Katie doesn't fall asleep.
I thought you were wearing 2 ears. She's wearing 2 ears. Oh gosh, this is the problem. Well, it's really gimbaling now. It's really focused on my face earlier.
The
gimbal is gimbaling.
I never want to happen what happened earlier with this camera.
No.
Okay, here are your little goodies. Hopefully they didn't get all messed up. They're little cups for us to share our little drinkies at Epcot. We have our own Drink Around the World badges.
Oh my god.
At the
Get outta
bottom,
here.
they say drunk. And then some little coffee koozies for us to have at the park.
I love it. Thank you.
So obviously yours is Rapunzel, yours is Ariel, and mine's Belle. So
Are we allowed to take them to Epcot?
yeah, they're empty. Yeah, they're empty. But I made these. How do we like them?
Oh my god, I love them.
Yeah, and I brought Sharpies for us to check them off.
Special.
And I don't know if we'll be getting a drink individually per every country, so that's why we got some cups for us to share. And they have straws and lids, not paper straws, because those are terrible. So there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is this Christmas?
Oh my
Stop.
word. Thank you.
Wait, I love mango. This is coming with me to the park.
Yeah,
Mom.
I got watermelon.
What is this? Are this pajamas?
Are this pajamas?
Are we gonna have to change? Oh,
Oh my god, get out of town.
these are so cute.
Thank you.
Are you? Is it tequila?
Yes,
It's
tequila.
Are you wearing? Do you have them too?
Yes.
Should we put them on?
I think we can do it tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Let's do like a little sleepover tomorrow night.
We're having
Wait,
a
I
sleepover
love it. A
every
little
night.
Disney sleepover.
They're so cute. Thank
So
you.
nice. I love how this is just like an unspoken like
We just
spoil each
Mine
other.
is like so lame compared to this.
No,
It's dumb.
your presents. Oh, I didn't even realize this. How did you get
Ooh.
this on the?
Put them in my little liquids pouch.
I love this. I might need to put this on my knee that is
Thank you.
scratched up on the bed.
Okay. And that one is yours.
Are
This
you
one is
kidding?
mine.
They
Very-
say girls
Yeah.
close your eyes and make a wish, then tie this bracelet on your wrist. When the bracelet breaks in two, the wish you made will soon come true.
Yeah.
That's really cute. It's a girls trip bracelet. Wait, I love. So you didn't even need to bring your besties bracelet.
No,
We have
because I
it.
was getting a bracelet.
I love it. Thank you. Oh wait, it's yellow too.
Yeah.
My favorite color.
I know.
Yours is purple.
That's why
Oh, they
Katie's is
match.
pink.
Oh,
No, Katie's is pink because that's her favorite
I
color.
love that. Wait, so fun. Okay, we're ending this. We need some sleep.
Yeah.
We will see you tomorrow.
Good night.
In our Magic Kingdom vlog. Bye.